In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the length of a word so that we can print something out. So this is going to help you print those dashes for your hangman game. Notice that I've already created a function. I've imported turtle, imported random. I've created a function that creates the word list, creates the turtle, hides the turtle, picks the pen up, and makes the color purple. So what we need to do then is when we call this word length function, I want to pass two things into the word length. I want to pass my list of words. I also want to pass my turtle so my turtle can do some drawing. So there's a way I can pass more than one item into a function. So I'm going to say I want to pass words, and then if I put a comma, I also want to pass the turtle. Now it's really important when you accept it in the next function, you do it in exactly the same order. So I'm going to take in the words list and I'm going to take in the turtle. So that's important, the order, otherwise it's going to mix those two up. All right, so what we're going to do now is just pick a random word from the list. So rando word, random choice from words. Now we're going to get the length of that random word because we need to know how many letters are in that random word. So I'm going to say word, I can't use word length again because I use that as my function name. So I'm going to say num letters, so like number of letters. Sorry, I don't know why that was so hard. And to get the number of letters in that word, I'm going to use this thing called len, like it's short for length, L-E-N, len. So I'm going to get the length of rando word. And I'll just show you that I can print that. Oh, my fingers are on the wrong keys. Let's try this again. I'm going to print two things. First, I'm going to print the rando word, just so we can make sure it's counting correctly. And then I'm going to print the number of letters. Okay, to get this started, I just need to call that create function. So down here, I'll call the create function to get it all started. So if I run this, it shows tomorrow, and it's telling me that tomorrow has 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's really good to know. So I'm going to show you now then is how to figure out like how to make something happen the number of times that there are letters. So you're used to a for loop that tells you how many times you want to do something. We say for I in range, and normally we put like 5 here. Or if it shows the word tomorrow, we would put an 8 there. But we're not going to know what random word was chosen, so we're going to use that variable. So instead of just giving a number like 8, we're going to say for I in range, however many letters there are. So we're going to put that variable there instead. So automatically, however long the word is, it will loop that many times. And so what I'm going to have my turtle do, I'm going to have turtle write. And for me, I'm just going to say hi. I'm going to make it kind of big so we can see. And then I'm going to have turtle move forward just a little bit so they're not right on top of the other. So it should print, oops, not a number. Oh, let's have it go forward. The font is 20. Let's have it go forward 30. So if it picks a random word like tomorrow, there were 8 letters in it. It should print the word hi 8 times. So let's run this and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it ran it 8 times. It must have picked tomorrow again 4 times. So it must have picked the word. And that must have been things. So it's randomly just choosing one out of there. That must have been tomorrow again. And printing hi as many times as there are letters. All right, that's all there is to it. Now go get started on your hangman game and print the number of dashes for the number of letters in each word.